Hey everyone, I'm Marty. Welcome. I'm going to be giving you a tour here at the new Disneyland Hotel Discovery Tower, which is the DVC tower. We were just here a couple months ago. We loved it so much that, hey, we came back. This time we are going to be staying in a Deluxe Studio preferred view, which is wheelchair accessible. It's the only room that they had available, and that's what they gave us. So the other room we were in was a standard view, same type of room, but a standard view, and the configuration is a little bit different. So this little video will give you a tour of the preferred view that is handicap accessible for a wheelchair. This is on the second floor, and we are in room 245. Let's go on in and check it out. So just like I had explained in the other room video, which I will make sure to put a link in this video, you have the hallways here that look like a D for Disney, and kind of like that whole cruise ship corridor look. You got the beautiful carpets on the walls. You have all of the characters here. But let's head into the room. There's wifey. And our other room that we got was a Tiana theme. This is also a Tiana theme. I was hoping to get a Snow White theme so I could show you the difference there, but I did do a tour of the one bedroom, which is a lot different than this. I think you'll enjoy that. Again, I'll put links to this. Hi, do you like this room? You do? Let's show everybody around. All right, so of course you have your full mirror here.
And we have food over here.
We have food over here. I'm just gonna let this guy take over. That's right. Of course, you come in and you'll have your greeting. And depending upon if you have the Tiana theme or the Snow White theme, will also depend upon what sort of backdrop you get here against the wall. So this one has Tiana's tiara here and the stars and hearts and things that relate to her movie. You have a microwave. Underneath the microwave, you have utensils. You have 4 cups for coffee. And you have your plates and 4 glasses. So the room sleeps 4 and you have 4 of everything. I like how the drawers are even soft close. You have a little mini fridge. Oh, look, it came stocked with stuff that wifey put in it. You have a safe. You have some storage here. You have a closet. In your closet, you're gonna have some extra bedding, your hangers, and pillows. Now, here's a big difference, okay? In the regular room, this closet right here is gonna be against this wall, okay? Also against this wall, you're gonna have your sink area with your microwave and your refrigerator. Everything is gonna be here, a little kitchenette here. Where here you have your Murphy bed that folds down, and it's gonna be further away from the wall. Likewise, on the regular room, you're not gonna have as much space right here. It's gonna be closer to the window. Again, since this room is ADA compliant, a wheelchair can get on both sides. Thus, why you're not seeing this whole area and the closet against the wall. So if you can picture that. So everything's a little bit wider, and all of this, not including the wife, is gonna be on this wall. Everything about the bed and the light up backdrop is gonna be the same. Same thing with the lights. I did notice this one is missing its little cover here. So not sure what happened there, but that's missing. You have a power port here, your light that controls that, and then your dimmer switch for these lights. And you're gonna have the same on this side. You'll have your power, and it looks like a telephone. I mean, maybe it's an Ethernet cable if you want to hardwire internet. It's the first time I've seen that, actually. And then your light. And I'm not sure if it's supposed to turn around like that or not, but it does. Over here you have a little sitting area, which I think most people just use for their luggage. You can actually take this cushion off and put it on the ground for the kids and still use that for storage. As the wifey is so gorgeously demonstrating, you have more storage space underneath here.
And there's a secret.
There's a secret? What's the secret?
You can hide.
It's a secret hiding spot. You're right. Are you gonna go in there? You're gonna go in there?
Go in there.
Oh, you're taking off your shoes.
I know.
What good manners you have. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. It comes with a free child. There he is. Right. Do you want to show everybody the bed? We'll show everybody the bed. The bed we just pull down. Watch your head. And then we have a nice little love scene here. And just your regular Murphy bed. All right, let's head on over to the restroom. Now the restroom, again, very different from the other Deluxe Studio that's not ADA compliant, right? A lot wider. Toilet is gonna be a lot higher off the ground. You have your railings. And this one, you actually have a small tub and shower. The other one, you actually have a walk-in shower with a glass door. So that's the big difference here. You actually have a little tub here, and it's a tub shower combo. Still, you get all your same amenities: body wash, shampoo, conditioner. One sink, just like the other one. One sink, but just a lot more room here. Now I said that this is a preferred view. So what does that mean? Well, on the regular standard view, we were just looking at air conditioning vents. Here we're on the second floor, very close to the pool. And we're looking at the pool of the Discovery Tower on the second floor. So very close to ground level. And of course, up above you have the rest of the tower. Right across, these are the garden rooms. There are 8 of them total. 4 of them are studios like this. And the other 4 are the tower studios, which does not have this full bed. It only has the Murphy bed. So it only sleeps 2, whereas this room sleeps 4. This guy is ready. Here's one more thing I wanted to share with you guys that I'm really excited about. If you are staying here in the Discovery Tower on the second floor, there's a secret way to get to your room. Check this out. So instead of going to the lobby, you can actually go behind the pool area, and there is a staircase that will come up here to the second floor. It also connects to the second floor of the garden view rooms. And down below here, you have the first floor of the garden view rooms. And you have your very own picnic area with your own barbecues. How cool is that? Now, I've stayed here once before and I didn't even know about this area. This is the entrance to the pool. And I don't see anybody use this. As a matter of fact, when I came over here to the barbecues and I opened them up, check this out. I don't think they've ever been used. Look at how immaculate this is. I don't think they've been used once. Not once. And if they have, Disney has done an amazing job of making them look brand spanking new. But I don't see any evidence that these barbecues have ever been used. You have a start guide here, timer right here. And it's not just this one. This one also looks like it's never been used. Look at that. It is so clean. So clean. So you have your own little private area here. Now, anybody in the hotel can use this, okay? I just don't think it's known. Look at that. Second floor, right up there. So what did you guys think? I really love this area. It's so, this is a Saturday night. Nobody. So that is going to be the tour of the preferred view of the Deluxe Studio that is ADA compliant here at the Disneyland Hotel. Discovery Tower, only been open for less than a year now. Tell me what you thought. Have you stayed in that type of room before? Have you stayed in another type of room before? If so, what is your favorite type of room? Let me know in the comments down below. I really do like to know these things. I love interacting with you guys, chatting with you guys. You know, it's the love of the adventure of Disney. So give me a shout down below. Of course, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video, really does help me out a lot. That's gonna do it for this segment. I will leave links to those other reviews that I did a couple months ago down below, so check those out. I'm gonna be doing another full review of the resort tomorrow, which is Father's Day. So I'm gonna see you then, I hope. And if I don't, happy Father's Day. I'll see you all on the next adventure. Stay magical, take care of yourselves, and of course, each other. Peace.